this was a public Instagram account, and this is after converting it to private. So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can make your Instagram account private. And if I open up my Instagram and search an account from here you go. Here you can see that the contents of this account are visible to everyone. Now let me open this account, and now let's make this account private. So you have to first of all go to the profile of your Instagram account, and after that you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on iPhone or Android, it works the same on both devices. So after going into those three lines, you have to scroll down and scroll more. And here under who can see your content, you get an option account privacy. So tap on it and just turn this button on by tapping here. But if this thing appears up and you are not able to make your account private, then you have to press OK and go back and follow this video next for solving this problem. So above this account privacy option, you get another option named creator tools and controls. So tap on it, and after that scroll down, and here the fourth last option in this list is switch account type. So tap on it, and here you get an option switch to personal account. Click on it and confirm switch to personal account. And here you go. After that you have to go back from here and again go to this account privacy option. Now try to turn this button on, tap on switch to private. Now your account has been converted to private. If I go back from here and open that account again and search this account, and here you can see that the contents of this account is no more available to everyone. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to know that how you can convert your account back to public, then here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.